lift off if you do have some maintenance. Great horsepower with it being that naturally aspirated V8, lots of punch, really great runner with that combination. As you walk in, lots of storage space. Lift these guys up, you can see you have room on all three. Battery on and off switch right underneath here, super easy to get to right when you walk on the boat. A couple of things you're going to notice about this boat being all about entertainment. Very versatile seating. As you can see here, we have the different levels set up for your stadium seating. So you can actually have 6 people sitting back here. Backrest fold back and forth. You want a sun pad? You have it. You want the seating to look backwards, people swimming in the water? That's your option also. Cup holders galore, no space, no lack of space to put that. Stereo control back here. You can see I have the Make Fast Sunshade deployed. Really nice option. It's smooth and quiet. You can see how large it is coming off of the color matched hardtop. So really covers 3/4 of the boat if you're looking for that reprieve from the hot summer sun. So walk through, nice wide transom walk through, easy to get in. You're gonna get to the entertainment space. One thing that comes with a lot of people entertaining them is a lot of garbage. Big bin here, tucked out of the way, so easy to keep your boat nice and tidy. See lots of space here throughout. Seating is an L-shaped group. Table does come out of there. Got a hidden pull-out cooler here, and then lots of storage underneath here as well. Beginning to notice cup holders throughout, the speakers down low. Tucked out of the way, but in a spot where you can hear them. So moving over to the entertainment space. Got a sink, real deep, lots of room in there if you want to throw some ice in there, good spot for that. Still gonna have that cutting board, cutting space. Refrigerator. And another pull-out cooler in here. So again, lots of versatility to the boat, lots of configurations, but really all the storage you're gonna need for the ultimate day boat ride. As we move forward here to the Helm Station, again we mentioned the Mercury 300 horsepower motors, so you got your Mercury binnacle here. With that comes the JPO, so the joystick docking. Twist of the finger, push it over, the boat goes exactly where you ask it to go. Really alleviates any kind of extra stress when you're docking on a real windy day, kind of like a day like today. Integrated into this, you do have your autopilot and skyhook. So again, all the features you would come to expect from a high-level boat. Screens here, got the SIMRAD display. That's going to push all your Mercury engine data, your fuel flow, everything you need to know. Turn the sport exhaust on and off if you're looking for that little extra noise when you're running. Garmin display, GPS is in there. All the different screens throughout, so if you want to duplicate some of the motor information, you can also pull it up here. On the third display, this is actually where you can run the boat from. You can run your stereo, deploy the Sunshade back and forth, turn the lights on and off. All the lights go different color, full spectrum on here. So whether you want to go anywhere from yellow, blue, green, have that option. Real cool features all throughout the boat. Again, all about the entertaining on it. Speaking of the stereo that's tucked in here, it's a Klipsch system, and it is fantastic. When you Bluetooth in, crank it up, you will absolutely love the sound coming out of there. Before we head up to the bow, nice hideaway storage space here. Head down below, little sink. Actually enough room if you want to hop in there and as an adult, flip your swimsuit on. Enough room to do that. Great for storage, but of course, if you're going to spend the day in the water, you might need that hat also. So side walk through here, you can see how deep the boat is. We're really down in the boat here, so you feel like you're comfortable even when you're heading up to the bow, walking through the bow. Of course, the windshield closes and the door closes out the weather if it's a little bit inclement. But as we move to the bow here, tons of seating, and again, you can see how deep down in the bow I am. This table, we have it drop down right now. It is high-low because we have this cushion. Fills in. Now you have a big sunbed up here. Still gonna notice you have all the cup holders, stereo control, little 12-volt charging ports. So if you need to charge up your phone, your iPad, whatever you're doing, all available all throughout the boat. On the bow, there is a nice windlass tucked underneath that storage compartment there, so you never have to go hand over hand to go in and out of your favorite anchorage spot. Again, Mike Gish, MarineMax in Maryland. on the 2021 blacked out Aviara 32 outboard, please give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to set you up on that appointment to get you on the water.